Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to start using Notion Mail. If you're already a Notion user looking to manage your emails with the same powerful block-based interface you love, this tutorial will walk you through setting up and navigating Notion Mail from scratch. First, open Notion and select your workspace. This ensures you're working within the right environment where you'll eventually integrate your email workflow. Once you're in, you'll need to head over to the Notion Mail website. You can do this by opening a new browser tab and navigating directly to Notion Mail's official site. This is where the setup process begins. On the Notion Mail homepage, you'll see an option to sign up. Click Sign Up with Google or choose another email provider depending on which service you use. This step connects your existing email to Notion Mail so you can start managing everything in one place. After clicking, you'll be prompted to allow Notion Mail to access your email account. Go ahead and approve this. It's necessary for syncing your emails and ensuring everything flows smoothly into the platform. Once that's done, return to Notion or open Notion Mail directly. To link any additional email accounts you might have, navigate to Notion Mail settings and select Add Account. This is especially useful if you manage multiple email addresses and want them all accessible from one unified inbox. Now let's explore the interface. Use the sidebar within Notion Mail to navigate your mail folders such as Inbox, Sent, Drafts, and Trash. This sidebar functions like any traditional email client, making it easy to find what you need quickly. When you click on an email, it will open in side peek, center peek, or full page mode depending on your preference. These viewing options give you flexibility in how you read and respond to messages. Here's where Notion Mail really shines: composing emails. Click New Email to start drafting a message, and you'll notice you can use Notion-style blocks, add headings, checkboxes, callouts, or even colors to structure your emails exactly how you want. This block-based approach makes emails more organized and visually appealing, especially for longer or more detailed messages. Finally, take advantage of customized inbox views. Click Save View, give it a meaningful name, and you'll be able to access it quickly later. This feature is perfect for organizing emails by project, priority, or any other criteria that suits your workflow. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.